นู่นนออย่างนี้นู่นนาพอที่ยาตาเลยมันวางนาล้อนอแต่สินู่นนอมาชาตุ้งจีมาเล่นเลยว่าโจจอลีนู่นนอคือที่นี่จ่าตัวโจ้เห็นนะดีกว่าจอลีนอดูก็นออย่างนี้ตุ้งเบบี้เลยก็ยอมมีว่ากับลูกนั่นมาตัวนี้ว่าทีละไอ้ว่าเท่านี้เดียวเนี่ยจะดีจะที่เราจะปฏิเสธเท่านี้ตัวนี้นู่นเราเป็นจะได้ตัวที่ตัวจะตัวหรือสร้างตัวอยากจะจงอยากจะเท่านี้
Mai Choua, there are so many reasons why I chose you. The unconditional love and support that you have given my kids won my heart. I hope that the tough days that you face becomes just a small stepping stone that you will overcome. With you in my life, my goals are almost endless. There was a time when we were younger. I took you out stargazing. We sat on the trunk of my car and I stole a kiss. We looked back at each other and just kind of smiled. From then on, our friendship just bloomed. Even after not seeing each other for 11 years. I'm grateful that we were able to pick up right where we left off. It's crazy how proud I am of you. Since the day we have been together, I watched you succeed at everything you do. I'm glad that you're a partner that never gives up. Someone who will grow old with. I love you.
John, my hope is that one day we'll grow old together and achieve every goal we've set in place for each other. Whether it's retiring and starting a food truck or traveling in a small RV going fishing until we've caught all the fish we can for the day. I promise to continuously support you, stand by your side, and love you at your lowest and your highest. My favorite memory of us were when we were young and we would go stargazing until late. We would talk about anything and about everything. There were no secrets between us, and to this day, you are still the only person I've ever gone stargazing with. From the moment I've met you until now, watching you be the father is the most proudest thing. I watch you grow and learn each and every day with your kids. Each decision is made with careful thought and consideration for not only yourself, but for your kids and even me. I know that I can be stubborn at times, and sometimes a little unreasonable, but you truly help bring the better part of me out. You push me to the limits that I'm afraid to see, and you stand by me through it all. If you ask why I chose you, I can't give you an answer. The universe just knew that you and I were meant to be. And all I know is that I'm so lucky that you chose me to be your forever, because you've always been my day one. I love you.